Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Banji here with a whole new video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and let's get straight into it. I know you've seen from the title of the video, and I know my hair is looking crazy. So I am relaxing my hair. Oh my gosh. This is the end of an era, and it's so emotional. It's such a bittersweet moment for me right now. I have been natural for the past 8 years. 8 flipping years. So I started my natural hair journey back in 2014. This was mostly because when I was in secondary school, I was at Marymount and we used to cut our hair. So for 4 years, I used to cut my hair. So that's how I ended up going natural to begin with, because as a kid, I was relaxed. So back then, obviously, it was easier. But the last time I had a relax in my hair is 12 years ago, 2010. And I was 11 going on 12. And now I'm almost 24. 12 years. It's been 12 years since I used the relaxer. So this is crazy. So I started keeping my hair natural after I finished school. I think that's when the whole natural movement started, like back in the early 2010s. Like that's when everybody was going natural. And I was like, you know what? This whole natural hair thing seems like so much fun. And I was like, I'm going to keep my hair natural. Maybe I'm going to relax it at some point. But then as I kept going, I was like, natural hair is so much fun. Natural hair can grow that long. Like I was learning so much. And I was like, you know what? I'm never gonna go back relaxed, you know? And I'm a person who likes to change up my hair a lot. But my natural hair still allowed me to change it up because I have a fro, I can wear it straight, I can do all these things. But I think eventually I started to get tired because, mind you, 8 years is a long time. So eventually I started to get tired because along the way, I learned better how to take care of my hair. But with learning better how to take care of my hair meant I started to do more limited things, and then I started to get bored. You know? Guys, look at that hair. Look at that hair. And I'm saying goodbye to it. This is the relaxer that I'm going to be using. It's the Organic Root Stimulator Olive Oil No Lie Relaxer. And I got normal strength. I'm okay with my hair being textured. I'm still indecisive whether I want it bone straight or I want it textured. But I think I still want some texture in there, but I do want it straight. I don't want it too straight because I don't know if you guys can see. I don't have that much hair on my head. I have quite a lot of hair. My hair has grown thicker and everything, but like, I don't have that much hair on my head. So if I get it too straight, it's just gonna be like, which is another reason why it was so easy for me to stay natural for so long, because I had that fullness, you know? So the thing comes with this. This is the base relaxer, and then it comes with the activator. So I know there's too much light, it's not gonna focus, but it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna mix the activator into the base, and then it comes with these 2 gloves. But I also have my own gloves, but I'm still just gonna hold on to the gloves because if we're gonna be 2 people working on my hair, definitely gonna need the gloves. Definitely gonna need the gloves. You know, gonna need the extra pair of gloves. And then it also comes with these. So it comes with these 2. So these 2 are the neutralizing shampoo. So after you relax your hair, you have to get everything out. So use the neutralizing shampoo. I don't see any need to buy actual neutralizing shampoo because I don't relax my hair all the time, and the relaxer pack always comes with it. And if you need to shampoo your hair more, you can use normal shampoo. But if you rinse it out, this is usually enough neutralizing shampoo. So I have these little 2 packs of the neutralizing shampoo, and then from there I have this replenishing pack. So the replenishing pack, I think this is a conditioner, so I'm gonna put it in my hair for about 15 minutes. And then I got the lotion, so tiny. It's a hair oil, and I use at the end, and some mousse. that I'm gonna use also because when I'm styling. So yeah, the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is my color. So this is the color that I am going to be using today. I am going honey blonde. I'm actually using two colors. It's by Black Chic. I wanted to use Enecto, but I can't find Enecto. So I've got this blonde, and then I've got another one which is brown. So the brown one, I had used it for a wig, so it's not in a pack anymore. I had only mixed half of it at the time, so it's not in the pack anymore, so I can't really show you the pack. But that's rich brown. So is it rich brown? Yes, the color is rich brown. So that is it with the developer. And I'm just gonna open this. So this is how this comes. Got a pair of gloves, of course. Got the conditioner. I never used the conditioner it comes with because I still have the conditioner from the last time and from the time that I did my mom's hair too. I still have the conditioner. So we've got the color cream, which is this. That's the honey blonde. And then we've got a little mixing stick, and we've got the developer. I think I'll use all of it. I don't see why I should keep some of it, so I'm just gonna use all of it. If you have less hair, because all of my hair is natural, if you have less hair, I suggest you have a separate container. Like I have these little things, so I suggest you have a separate container and you pour like half of it in here, especially if you're doing a touch-up. You pour half of the base in there, and then you take half of the activator and put it in there. Because as soon as you mix the activator and the base, if you don't use it within 24 hours, it is useless and it is expired. You can't even keep it. So yeah. I just remembered to oil the pyramid of my hair. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm using my petroleum jelly because we wanna protect the little scalpy scalp. So we don't wanna burn. No, we do not want to burn. I'm gonna put that like all over my perimeter, my ears.
Going.
Yeah. Ah, jeez.
What's happening?
It's happening. I'm not natural anymore. So at this point, my friend had come over and we were just going over the hair. We did it together. So I think that helped for us to do the whole process faster, and we managed to keep it within 15 minutes. So I had already pre-parted my hair in the 3 sections with the braids that I had done the night before just to keep my hair stretched. And then we just applied the relaxer all over my hair. I actually ended up using 3/4 of the pack, so if you don't have much hair on your head, you might want to consider that. But I was still ready for anything because I knew I was going to use at least the whole pack. And then after about 18 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed my hair and washed it, basically. Okay, yo, oh my gosh, my hair is straight. So I conditioned it with the replenishing pack conditioner that comes with it. I had it in for like 25 minutes, and now I just left my hair to air dry because I want to color it. So yeah, I think we're ready. But yo, my hair is straight. So weird. Pray it doesn't fall off. So I saw somebody do this where you just open it from the back, and then instead of opening the tube, the top part, and then you just squeeze it out. So right now, this was me starting the coloring process. Initially, I had wanted to do blonde highlights with the brown lowlights, but it was so hard doing this on my own, especially considering that I was coming from already chemicaling my hair. So the smell of the color of the tint just really smelled so bad, like it was burning my eyes. And what I learned is when you put tint in the first few minutes, it really burns and stinks so bad.
So I completely scrapped the idea because I was trying to section it and everything. So I completely scrapped the idea and just went ahead and picked up the whole honey blonde pack, and I applied that all over my hair, and I decided to even remove the foil as well because it was really nothing doing at this point, especially since I just decided to go with one color. So yeah, I just applied it everywhere. I was still trying to be extra careful, and it was burning like crazy for the first 3 minutes. But afterwards, the burning stopped, and I was surprised at how easy it got. But I just let that sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. I actually put a bag over my hair just to let it sit and everything. But this was basically the whole process. You know, I was freaking out at some points because I kept checking my hair to see if I've lost any hair at all, but I actually did not lose any hair at all. No strand of hair fell out while I was doing this, even afterwards. Everything was intact.
Step 2, coloring my hair. I've been checking it. It's not yet falling out, so I think we're good. And I can see the colors developing, so we're good.
So now this is me having rinsed my hair. Like, I'm like looking at my hair and I'm just like checking it out. Like, look at those roots. Okay, so this is the moisturizing oil. These are the products I use, and that's the wrap mousse from the package. And then that is my Auntie Jackie's leave-in conditioner. So those are just the products I use. So I applied that moisturizing oil from the pack as well as the leave-in conditioner, because I mean, I'm not going anywhere without my leave-in conditioner. I mean, yeah. Then I just like comb my hair out a little bit, and then I went in with that wrap mousse set because I was going to be styling my hair. Of course, like I put in some flexi rods, so definitely I needed that mousse in there so that my curls could hold, as well as so that it could dry faster. So I just went in with my flexi rods. I was just like randomly putting them in, you know. I don't really have like a whole pattern that I use to put my flexi rods in. Just randomly putting them in, like trying to section my hair. And then after that, I went ahead and sat under a bonnet dryer, and then I let my hair fully dry, and after that I could easily style my hair. So this was basically the whole process for me.
So this is what my hair currently looks like. Oh my god, oh my god, I cannot believe I actually went through with this. And also this day is like a couple of days after, as today is Monday. Today's Monday. I relaxed and colored my hair on Friday, so it's been a few days. I really love my hair. Like, just look at it, like it's crazy. And look at the color looks so rich. So my hair is kind of text-laxed, you can say. I text-laxed it in a sense. Well, I don't know if I would say that I text-laxed my hair, but seeing as my hair still has some texture to it, it's not bone straight. Like, it's really not bone straight, especially the ends. It's not bone straight. It looked like it did get bone straight, but it's really not. It's still got a thickness to it, so I actually really like that. I wanted it really straight, but then I was indecisive of whether I wanted it bone straight or texturized. So I think the way it came out is exactly how I wanted. I think I experienced very minimal breaking during the relaxing process, which was great. Very minimal breakage, like very little breakage. Even and with the coloring process, I experienced almost zero breakage, like almost no breakage at all. And it was so crazy because I kept checking it. I think you see the clips, like I kept checking it to see, like, do I see a clump of hair coming out? Even when I was going to rinse it out, I got nervous. I actually really like the color. This is the color. I actually wanted my hair to be this color and have blonde highlights. So unfortunately, I ended up mixing only one color because I couldn't get myself to mix both, to put in both the brown and the honey blonde, because the stuff was burning my eyes. Okay, so I just went with, I was like, you know what, it's fine, we'll just do the honey blonde. I will do the low lights and the highlights another time. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Every time I walk past the mirror, I'm like, dude, is that you? So I have no regrets about relaxing my hair. I'm sorry to the team natural. I have zero regrets on relaxing my hair. Absolutely love my natural hair. I love my natural hair. Like, you have no idea. I never really saw myself going straight anytime soon, and especially a decision that I just make like that, because I made this decision on Monday. I was just like, you know what, let me straighten my hair. Of course, it was also because I had like a million things going on in my head, and straightening my hair felt like the perfect distraction, because me thinking about straightening and coloring my hair distracted me from thinking about everything else that I had to do that week. But yeah, I just decided, like, this was Monday evening, and I'm like, let me do something with my hair. And I'm like, okay, let me relax it. But I'm like, wait, I want to wear some color in it too. And I'm like, I want to color it. And I'm like, okay, fine, maybe I shouldn't relax, maybe I should color it. But I'm like, no, I'm not going to enjoy the color if my hair is natural, because the other reason why I'm relaxing it is because right now it's crazy humid out. I can't be straightening my hair. So obviously, I want to wear it straight. And I was like, no, I'm going to do both of them the same day. And then I started doing my research. I do not recommend you to do color and straighten your hair in the same day. Terrible idea. Bad idea. I think you saw that I was complaining of how it was burning, and it was burning like crazy. Like, and I don't know if it's the fact that the tint actually burns, or it was just the fact that I was putting my hair through so much, you know. But I do not recommend, especially if you're not somebody who works with hair. I work with hair all the time, and I had signed off that if I lose my hair, I am fine, you know. Like, I had signed that off. My friend tried talking me out of doing both of them, or she tried to tell me to just do the highlights and not straight color my hair from the roots. As you guys can see, my roots are literally blonde. They're literally honey blonde right now. But I wasn't gonna listen, because it was a decision that I had already made, and I was like, I don't care if I lose all my hair. I'll rock my wigs while my hair grows back. But I do not recommend you doing it. Go to a professional, go to a salon, get your hair done properly, wait a couple of months, wait 2 weeks, but in between that 2-week waiting space, make sure you do wash your hair at least once or twice to get rid of any excess chemical that you may have had. Totally. That's the way I recommend it. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am loving my hair. I am totally living for my hair. Like, I don't know. Initially I was thinking that I'm gonna have it straight for like a short, you know, for like this year. I'm not gonna relax it again, you know. I'm not gonna touch up on the relaxer. But right now I'm thinking, I'm like, I could maybe touch it up and wear my hair straight for a little longer than I thought. Maybe I could try and grow it out straight. Who knows? The only thing is with the color, but I actually don't mind permanently having this color. But I do know I would want to go back to black. But I really don't mind having honey blonde hair. Like, I feel like I would definitely make it become a part of me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other things you would like to see me do. It's crazy decision, impromptu. I don't recommend. Think through your decisions. But yeah. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye. See you in my next video.